Day is nearly here. I say, Valentine's Day is nearly here, Ranger.
Is that so?
I can't help but wonder what you're going to do for Jessie.
What do you mean?
Well, traditionally people give cards or chocolates or flowers to the one they love on Valentine's Day.
Ugh. Mush.
It might be mush to you, but I guarantee it is not mush to Jessie. It will be very serious to Valentine.
Jessie knows how I feel about her.
Does she, Ranger? How can you be sure?
Go away. I'm working.
Ranger, you can't not give Jessie a Valentine. Jumpins'. He just doesn't understand romance.
Don't you all have anything to do this afternoon?
As it turns out, I don't. So I am going to help you make Jessie a Valentine, Ranger.
No thank you.
Now, no need to thank me. I'm happy to do it. Let's paint your picture for the Valentine. Would you like to hold some red roses? Or perhaps swans? All right, holding nothing then. Just your handsome face in the portrait. Maybe we could try a smile? Okay, not a smiling picture then. Hey, this looks like packing snow. What's packing snow? Snow that sticks to itself. The kind of snow you can make a snowman with. Are we going to make a snowman? Battle stations! A snowball fight! Quick! We have to make snowballs to defend ourselves.
I didn't even want to do this in the first place. Now I don't have anything to give to Jessie.
There's still time. Let's start over, Ranger.
This is just silliness. Let me get back to work.
Hey, look at this. Your snowball fight ruined Ranger's Valentine for Jessie. What? How did it do that? We wouldn't do anything unkind to Ranger. Snow got all over his painting and made it ruined. Oh dear. It was just an accident. We didn't want to upset Ranger. So now does Jessie get nothing from Ranger for Valentine's Day? Yes. That's the problem. He gave up. That won't do at all. We have to fix this. Ranger can't give nothing. I have a brilliant idea. You need to invite Jessie to the skating pond, Ranger, for a romantic Valentine evening.
Happy? I'm tired.
Trust us, Ranger. Go get Jessie.
Jessie, will you please walk with me to the skating pond?
I thought you'd never ask. Wow, Ranger. All this for me?
Well, the fire's glowing, and so is my heart. Oh, come on. That's corny.
Did you remember to like and subscribe? Click the link. Thank you, friend. We appreciate you.